Basic English words with emoji. English for kids. Happy, smile, laugh, scared, swear, say bad words, cold, love, heart, cake, cry, sleep, happy birthday, kiss, sunglasses, silly, sad, unhappy, angry, shy, sick, vomit, ill, ghost, clown, robot, pumpkin, devil, palm, right, pray, foot, tooth, talk, eye, nose, baby, woman, man, grandfather, grandmother, policeman, doctor, cook, student, firefighter, princess, prince, king, bride, Santa Claus, dance, confused, I don't know, nails, wheelchair, coffee, sandwich, umbrella, run, family, needle, dog, monkey, frog, cat, lion, mouse, bunny, bear, fox, chick, duck, eagle, owl, bat, wolf, horse, unicorn, snail, ladybird, spider, fly, snake, turtle, octopus, fish, seal, dolphin, dragon, tree, Christmas tree, shell, mushroom, rose, sunflower, sun, moon, star, planet Earth, rainbow, snowman, ball, car, plane,